Hello there, people of chemistry class. My name is Trevin Rund, and I'm going to be telling you about chemistry in the theater. More specifically, lighting in the theater. More specifically than that, my favorite lighting fixture is the ERS, or also called the ellipsoidal reflector spotlight. Right now, you might be asking yourself, Trevin, where are you? Here, let me show you. I am standing on the grid in the theater, which is where we hang all our lights from. Right here, we have the ERS, or ellipsoidal reflector spotlight. I love the ERS so much because of how versatile it is in lighting. It can show from soft light to hard light to chopped edges, anything. It can do pretty much anything you want it to do. So let's start with the chemical makeup of the ERS. First, what we have here is a vacuum tube with 4 tungsten filaments in it. And these filaments in this pattern makes it very cost effective, meaning it wastes less energy but produces more light. So it makes this light very bright. Let's put this into perspective. Alright, your normal household condensate light bulb, which is around 60 watts, puts out 800 lumens, or how scientists show how bright an object is. This ERS puts out over 100,000 lumens. And to put that into show how bright that actually is, the sun 4,900 lumens. So it's a pretty bright bulb when you turn it on. So with something that bright, you don't want the light going everywhere. So what we have here is the cannon, or the housing for the light bulb. You put the light bulb in back over here, back up in here, and it's put into a sort of half egg-shaped reflector. And it focuses all the light out of here and out through the front of it. Inside this cannon right here, there are two lenses, one facing inward and one facing outward, which gives you the ability to make your light sharper or softer around the edges, giving it a very versatile use on stage. So now that I've told you everything about the bulb, let me show you how this thing actually works. Right now I have it at its most sharp edges, which that is when the two lenses are closest together. Right now I have it focused at the podium on stage. As you see around the edges, it is a very, very sharp image. But when I adjust this knob right here and pull the cannon out, it now makes a much softer image around the edge. You can barely see the edges around the sides of it. Now you might have noticed these wedges right here. These right here cut the light. Now see, if I push this down, this will cut off the bottom of the light. Now you might say that's weird because I'm pushing down on the top, but if you think about it, it goes through 2 lenses and it's flipping the light. So now I've cut off the bottom. Just pushing the top. Now if I push the bottom, I'll cut off the top. And vice versa, right and left, left and right.